All right, imagine transforming your hot tub business into a thriving powerhouse. What if I told you that just last week, in the last 7 days, one of our clients achieved a staggering 55% conversion rate from their Google ads? That means that more than 5 out of 10 people that just clicked on their ads actually turned into a lead for them. And in the home services industry, the average is just 6%. So what could that do for your hot tub business? Hi, I'm Mike Mancini, a Google Ads agency owner for the last 11 years. Yes, still moving into my new office. Yes, still a disaster, but that's not why you're here. So let me give you a little bit of background on this hot tub company. They've been in business for over 20 years and they've been working with us for the last 13. So they do hot tub repair, hot tub service, hot tub maintenance, hot tub moving, and they also sell hot tubs as well. Now, while they bring in leads for hot tub repair and service, there's a lot of times when the repair is just too expensive for the homeowner to swallow. And so sometimes they'll just say, you know what? It's too expensive to repair this hot tub. It's too old. We put too much into it already. Do you guys sell hot tubs? So that small repair job that might be $400 can turn into a $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 new hot tub sale. So you see how just getting one lead in the door can actually turn into a very high ticket sale. So he's got a really good business here. So let's break down how you can replicate this success. Targeted advertising. Google Ads allows you to reach your targeted customers right when they're looking for you. By targeting specific keywords like hot tub repair, hot tub service, local hot tub repair company, you can ensure that your ads are being seen by only people who are actively looking for your service. And what we're talking about here is intent. People are looking for a hot tub repair company. They have a problem with their hot tub. They are looking for a solution, which is you. They're not looking for videos on how to do it themselves. They're not looking for hot tub repair manuals. They are looking for what you have to offer. They have intent. They know that they're going to hire somebody to fix their problem. They're 90% sold. They just don't know who they're going to pick yet. That's where we come in. And I want to show you what we're talking about with targeted advertising and specific keywords. Let's hop into an account. As you can see in this campaign, the top 2 are branded search terms or the client names, but they are targeting people that are specifically looking to hire a service. Hot tub cleaning in Las Vegas, used spas, hot tub movers, hot tub moving company, used hot tub for sale, jacuzzi repair, hot tub repair, right? These are people who are looking for their exact service and are looking to pay someone not to figure out how to do it themselves. So get very specific and targeted with your keywords. Compelling ad copy. Your ad copy needs to resonate with potential customers. Highlight your unique selling points like quick service, expert technicians, or any special offers that you may have. A well-crafted ad makes all the difference. Let me show you an example of an ad that works well. Because we test every ad that we run, we know that these headlines and descriptions resonate with people in this area. When you see click-through rates of 20% or more, you know that you're pushing the right buttons. And in this case, this click-through rate of this ad is 39%. Now, a click-through rate is how often the ad is shown on the screen versus how many times it's actually clicked. The higher the click-through rate, the better. But when you see click-through rates of 20% or more, you know that you're pushing the right buttons. And in this case, we're seeing 40%. But you only achieve this by testing ads, adding new ones, taking what worked in previous ads and putting it in and changing out what didn't. And it's an ongoing process that we do in every account that we work with. Optimize landing pages. Once people click on your ad, they should get to a landing page that converts. Ensure that your landing page is user-friendly, informative, and has a clear call to action. This is where the magic happens. So you see this page? Yeah, I'm not a big fan either. I think it could be prettier. I think it could be more visually appealing. However, I don't go with my gut. I go with what the data tells me. And this page converted at 55% last week. And that's all I need to see. My guess is you don't really care about what looks the best. You care about what works the best. What is going to impact your bottom line? And when I see a page converting at 55%, yes, I get very excited. So if I told you that my page turned more than 5 out of 10 people who landed on that page into a high quality lead, do you really care how pretty it is? My guess is you just care about the bottom line. Now, just so you know, a typical home services campaign on Google Ads converts at just over 6%. This page converted at 55. So 6% those guys, 55% us guys. You can do the math. Continuous monitoring and adjustments. The beauty of Google Ads is being able to monitor and adjust in real time. If you regularly monitor your campaigns and analyze them and do the right adjustments, you also can watch your conversion rates soar. And that's what we do. We are not a set it and forget it agency. We are making hundreds of adjustments to each one of our clients each and every month. And it's not about just making any adjustments. It's about seeing the data that's come in the past and making the right adjustments going forward. Analyzing it, tweaking it, and doing it again, and repeat this process. So are you interested in harnessing the power of Google Ads for your home service business? If you are, down in the description area below, you can click that link. It will take you to a calendar where you can schedule a call with me. My name is Mike Mancini and my agency is called Mancini Digital. We only work with home service companies. We do not have contracts because if we're not doing our job, you shouldn't pay us any longer. You will always own your Google account. And on top of that, we only work with Google Ads. That's all we do. We don't do websites. We don't do SEO. We don't do social media. We are 100% focused only on Google Ads for home service companies. So if you're interested, please click the link and schedule a call with me, and let's make your hot tub service business the go-to one in your area. And if you got some good value out of this video, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us in the eyes of YouTube. And over to the right-hand side, you'll see some more related videos for home service companies. Thanks so much. I hope to see you again next time.